Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at the rational zero theorem. So if we have a polynomial, f of x equals an x to the n plus a n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 plus continuing on plus a1x plus a0 with integer coefficients if P over Q is a zero of F, where both P and Q are integers, P is a factor of the constant term a0, and Q is a factor of the leading coefficient an. So for now, we're just going to look at narrowing down the possible number of zeros. So if I give you the polynomial f of x is equal to 15x cubed plus 14x squared minus 3x minus 2. So I'm going to list all the factors of the constant term. So that's going to be 1, negative 1, 2, and negative 2. I also need to list all the factors of the leading coefficient, which is 15. So those are 1, negative 1, 3, negative 3, 5, negative 5, 15, and negative 15. If you're not sure about how to factor an integer, just remember, look for pairs of numbers that multiply to give you that. And remember, you need to include both the positive and negative of each number. So now what we just do is look at all the possible fractions we could get out of this. So we could do it in over 1. We never write those over 1. So we have 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2. We can also do all of them over 3. So 1/3, negative 1/3, 2/3, negative 2/3. Do all of them over 5. So 1/5, negative 1/5, 2/5, negative 2/5. And then finally we can do all of them over 15. 1/15, negative 1/15, 2/15, and negative 2/15. So we were only able to narrow this one down to 16 possibilities, but 16 is still a lot fewer than infinitely many. And we will learn some techniques later on that we can use to narrow down the choices some more. So that's going to conclude this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about actually finding the zeros of a polynomial.